Hiro-san, how are you?
Yes, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Now, we are not doing the California roll contest. Not today. We are doing the most nicest, most original,
Right.
the most expensive California roll that you can think of.
Original California, actually, they use the crab cake. I mean, the fish cake with the imitation crab. So, but some people say, why
Why?
imitation crab?
Why do that when you can have this?
So, today we're gonna use the real crab.
Real crab. We have, of course, house avocado. And just to let you know, at Whole Foods, it was $35.90 a pound, but it's on sale for $26.99. We are going to make it really nice and original, right, Hiro? But with real crab meat.
Real crab meat.
Okay.
So we're gonna do meat out.
Okay.
I'm gonna use the scissor.
Now, when you're buying this for $26.99, of course, that includes a shell, and shell's actually quite heavy. What you're left with is much more expensive meat than, of course, $26.99.
Wow. Lots of meat.
So beautiful.
Good, right?
Look at that. All the meat for one roll.
I'm going to take the water out.
Okay.
Yeah, because this water is actually good, but it's not so good for sushi though. So I need to take enough water out.
Okay, I'm timing you, Hiro. Okay.
All the time?
I'm timing you.
Oh,
Oh boy.
I haven't made sushi long time.
California roll especially. And California roll, in our opinion, in most of people's opinion, should have just avocado. Of course, the Haas type, and crab meat. Forget the cucumber. Cucumber is a cheap additive. Doesn't give it that rich taste that you're looking for in a California roll. Wow, look at this. This is going to be a beautiful California roll.
Yeah, but this is
beautiful.
But remember, if kanikano crab stick California roll, you can buy maybe $5, $6 one roll. But in this case, you have to pay at least $30. Could be.
Yeah.
Right. So that's your cost for that.
Take a look. Wow, that is a real deal.
Okay. This is a real crab
Gorgeous.
California roll.
Look how beautiful this is, guys. Now this is a real California roll. Real crab, absolutely stunning, beautiful, gorgeous. And I can't wait to taste it, Hiro.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell us if you'd pay $20 for this roll.
Yeah, at least 20.
At least 20, right?
Yeah. And
Sure.
imitation crab, $5.
Yeah. Okay, Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Eating rice.
Yeah. Especially this California roll. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Enjoy. All that real crab meat.
Good.
Much better, right?
Of course.
Let's try. There's no comparison with the other crabs, the kanikama. No comparison at all. So good. Tastes really like crab, not like fish where it breaks down after a couple of chews. It's really the meat is more fibery, and you're actually eating meat, not like processed fish. Hiro, thank you again.
Thank you.
See you guys soon.
Mhm.